And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Sorry, after 40 years of smoking, my voice is always coarse. Now, if you notice why I'm holding this up, this is going to be Hubble's cat's future or West Wind's future. Now, a lot of people, they don't know how to plant corn. So you got other greens, like I tell a lot of people, all right, you might want to try a 20 by 20 plot of growing wheat. That's 20 feet by 20 feet. Or if you're metric, 10 meters by 10 meters. Okay? I know my adjustments are weird, but I'm growing food, not measurements. Okay? You got to learn because it's not going to be gas power or horsepower or steam power. A lot of people forget about this. The big grain manufacturing, I got to put this down for a second, my hand hurt. Okay, the big grain manufacturer of the 1870's didn't occur. Before the Civil War, a lot of grains was grown on family farms, and it was hand sickled. The reaper or mechanical, horse driven size didn't come out until about after the Civil War. Excuse me. So if you want to eat flour or bread or real better corn products, you better read this. This is your future. Hammer and sickle, Uncle Allen and sickle. Okay? This is going to be a short one, folks. I'm not going to go over 3 minutes. This is important, so get it through your head, little kids. Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Please like and subscribe right down below. Please check out Hubble's cat, because Hubble's cat will be doing this to make a small loaf of bread. Okay, old school with a modern twist. Check out his channel, very good. Coal Cracker Bushcraft. Check out his channel, really good. I like it. A lot of people wondering why you're talking about the Townsends and Coal Cracker. Well, you should check them out. Okay, let me get a sip of coffee. Good coffee. Make sure you donate a little bit to our friend Jordan Jakenberg in Sweden. Winter's coming for him, a big one. A lot of people don't realize that for a price of a cup of coffee, you're helping Jordan and his poor crippled family to survive. His parents, his wife, and kids to survive in the brutal dictatorship of Sweden. Now, right now, Sweden got trouble with Russia, internal problems. If it was like back in the 90s or the 70s, they could have beat off Russia. No problem. But right now, with their crazy politics and liberal, see Hubble's cat to put down a crazy socialist comment down below, government, Sweden is on the verge of civil war, terrorism, and bankruptcy. They don't tell you about those things. You think Venezuela is bad. Wait until Sweden goes. Okay. Next thing, uh, keep it short. I went over 3 minutes. Sorry. Venezuela. Venezuela is getting desperate. It has to bleed off its population. So we're going to expect more caravans. A lot of Central America and South America, what they do is bleed off their poor, they're stupid, they're criminals, drug addicts into America by these migrant caravans. Now, if you want to come to work to America, that's fine. Also, I want them to deport some Americans out of America. Whoopi Goldberg, go to Canada. Joy Behar, go back. Well, they don't want you. Go to Canada too. And you know what I'm talking about. All you Hollywood elites that show all these movies how America is great and how macho you are or bullshit it is. Okay, I'm tired. I'm not going to watch a show. Go to Australia. They like you guys down there. We don't like you in the middle America. Okay, this has been a short video. Sorry, went over 5 minutes, folks. Uncle Alan, when he talks passionately about America, my family suffered through a lot. And we're not giving up this country. We gave up Japan after 2,000 years because it was damn stupid. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. I wonder if Hubble's cat's going to blame this on global warming.